So now you know about spiritual wireless treatment and who is the founder of spiritual wireless treatment and what kind of results have been produced. And these are just some results which are related to my own personal experiences and involvement, because I also came up with the name of legendary freelancer for this purpose. But what is the possibility, what are the benefits of spiritual wireless treatment? It's, you can imagine what can be done when you are sitting at your home and what you can do in the physical real world without even moving from your home to anywhere where the patient is. Now imagine the possibility in a world where already there are so many experts, so many doctors, so many healers, so many kind of various treatment terms like Reiki and this and that, shamanism, etc. And you know, when something new comes, people feel very skeptical, like, oh my god, is it really real? Is it real or fraud or fake or something? So now you and I are already living in a world where there are many kind of healers who are using their own terms and they are doing their treatment and their clients are getting results and they are performing it, and there are teachers who are teaching it, there are students who are learning it. So how did it start? From the very first point, like someone might have come up with a term Reiki, and people might be feeling skeptical, what the hell is this Reiki? I also remember when I heard is about Reiki first time, I did not know what exactly is the Reiki. But I personally never get involved in the Reiki healing because I have no interest, to be honest. Just like in a shamanic healing, I know that on Udemy there are many courses related to shamanic healing, but I am not involved in shamanic healing as well. But based on my own gaming experiences from World of Warcraft, if you have been a gamer or if you have ever played MMORPG video games like World of Warcraft, Dota 2 or other action adventure game, if you have been a gamer, then you can easily understand. Like from the example of World of Warcraft, I'm taking that a player can have so many talents, so many skills, so many abilities, and the player can easily use any kind of spell from the talent tree, any kind of skill based on the practice and experience, and then use it according to the situation. Like if there is a need to heal someone with a quick healing, say the spell can be utilized. If there is required a massive healing or a team healing, that kind of spell can be picked from the talent tree and then can be used by the player. So in a similar way, that is like a video game. Now it's a real life. In a real life, the possibilities are like, if you have your own relative suffering an incurable patient, maybe your wife, maybe your children, maybe your relatives, like sister-in-law, father-in-law, chacha, uncle, and neighbors, who knows? Or maybe someone you know who is living abroad in another country. So what you can do with this kind of knowledge, you will be able to heal any kind of incurable disease. And obviously if you can heal incurable diseases, all other kind of diseases are very, very, very minor as compared to incurable diseases. Because if the process of spiritual wireless treatment can be used for those patients who are incurable, then obviously if the process will be applied on those diseases which are not incurable, then obviously the result is obvious. But for those kind of patients, we know that there are already medicines, allopathic field, homeopathic field, and in Islam there are many other kind of spiritual treatment methods. But this is specifically very unique in the form of spirituality. Sorry, in the way of spirituality with wireless. Spiritual is already a wireless, but because I need to talk to people who want to learn in a most advanced scientific way, so I need to use the term wireless so that you can understand it. It's like a wireless healing, wireless treatment in the 21st century of modern science.